If you feel stuck between the life you show online and the life you actually live, then this message is your mirror. This is what happens the moment you decide to become the person you claim to be. Step 1. Confront the identity gap. Every post, every caption, every grind mode story builds a version of you that doesn't exist yet. And that gap between your online self and your real habits silently destroys confidence. You can fool people, but your mind remembers everything. Every broken promise, every shortcut, every tomorrow that never came. When your actions don't match your words, self-respect collapses, and discipline can't survive without respect. Step 2. Rebuild the internal narrative. The person you pretend to be online isn't fake, it's the blueprint of who you could become. But that version only appears when your actions finally match your intentions. Change begins with small choices, not grabbing your phone at sunrise, not running from difficulty, not hiding behind "I'm tired." Real transformation begins when excuses die before they're spoken. Step 3. Break your addiction to comfort. The online version of you looks disciplined because it never shows the struggle. But becoming that person demands early mornings, invisible progress, and work nobody claps for. Most people want the identity without the lifestyle, but you can't inherit a future you didn't earn. Step 4. Build consistency before confidence. Confidence doesn't come from likes or comments, it comes from keeping promises to yourself. With every action, your inner voice grows stronger. You stop pretending to be focused, you become focused. You stop acting confident, you build confidence through evidence. Step 5. Live as your future self. Imagine making every decision today as if you were already the disciplined, focused version of yourself you display online. Every choice becomes a brick, and slowly the identity you only posted becomes the identity you actually live. Final message. Most people pretend online because they've forgotten who they can become. But the moment your real life rises to the level of your online persona, the performance ends and your real story begins. Your online self isn't the lie, your inaction is. Close the gap and your entire future changes.